Mercedes-Benz. Trucks you can trust.
Hi, I'm Carlo Arguelles, and today we're doing something different. The pandemic has affected us all, changing our everyday lives and restricting our adventures and trips outside our homes. But here at Mercedes-Benz, we refuse to let that stop us. And so, I would like to welcome each and every one of you joining us to the very first digital launch of our newest Mercedes-Benz truck, the Arocs tipper. We'll show you everything that's great about it and what makes it a standout from the past trucks we've had. Because, as always, here in Mercedes-Benz, we're committed to giving you the best or nothing.
From rigids to concrete mixers to heavy-duty tippers, the Arocs is a true specialist of the construction industry. With its versatility and robustness, the Arocs is the right answer for virtually every task and every segment of the construction industry. The efficient and reliable engine, transmission, and axles are all manufactured exclusively by Mercedes-Benz and designed specifically for the special requirements of construction transport at gross weights of 18 tons and above. The Arocs electronic brake system is based on a pneumatically operated dual-circuit air brake system with a constant pressure of 10 bars and is controlled by the higher-level electronic brake control system. ABS, anti-lock braking system, ASR, acceleration skid control, and the auxiliary brake functions are integrated in this system. They control the complex braking and traction functions of the entire truck during operation, ensuring safety for both truck and the driver. Further enhancing the safety of the driver, the Arocs tipper is equipped with airbags integrated in the steering wheel, an important safety element that protects and reduces injury to the driver in the event of an accident. The Arocs Power Shift 3 automated gear shift boasts of high driving comfort, precise gear selection, efficient power transmission, enhanced handling, and low fuel consumption. The Power Shift 3 applies sensitive sensor technology for gear shifting to ensure gear selection in accordance with the given driving and load situation to make driving in construction transport easier. The Arocs OM471 engine is a 6-cylinder inline engine with an output power of 330 kilowatts or 449 horsepower, and its characteristics include a low fuel consumption in relation to its high output as well as numerous technical innovation. The Mercedes-Benz exclusive fuel injection system reduces the fuel quantity required for combustion to a minimum. In summary, the Arocs tipper delivers what the practical realities require on construction site and on the road. Mercedes-Benz, trucks you can trust.
This amazing new truck was built specifically for construction and off-road purposes. No construction site is the same, and we all know how rough roads can get, whether going there or getting around, especially for the bigger developments. The Arocs tipper is ready for whatever road condition it will face. The tipper body is built by Myler, a first-class and reputable bodybuilder from Munich, Germany, for over 160 years. It's known for its optimal results in technological progression and elite-grade durability. Because of this close partnership with Myler, we can confidently say that the Arocs tipper's innovative and solution-driven qualities give us an advantage, especially in the construction industry. This truck has been equipped with power, robustness, and most of all, efficiency, showcasing a 20.6 cubic meter box-type tipper body that's wear-resistant and robust to built to all road conditions. Its features are specifically designed to haul the heaviest of materials in the most inconvenient of roads, which is why it can be found in all major construction sites around the world. But on top of that, it's built to maximize its features while also minimizing the cost of ownership. And if that still doesn't convince you, just look at the size of this thing. It's a truck you can trust. I would like to thank you all for being here and taking the time to watch the launch with us. And I wish you all good health and a blessed day.